Hi, my name is Betsy Vincent, and I'm a recruiting manager for the ServiceMaster Company. ServiceMaster is currently seeking candidates for an exciting new management development program that we have launched within two of our largest national brands, Terminix and American Home Shield. This management development program allows for college graduates who hold a bachelor's degree to quickly gain valuable management experience through a 12 to 24-month rotational program. Within Terminix, candidates will rotate through several roles within a Terminix branch in preparation of becoming a Terminix branch manager. Within American Home Shield's program, candidates will rotate through various roles within a call center environment, leading up to becoming a call center supervisor. There are also opportunities available at American Home Shield's corporate offices. This management development program is designed to identify future business leaders. So we are looking for individuals with proven leadership ability, particularly within student organizations. If you are interested in either opportunity, please apply online at jobs.servicemaster.com and look for the management development program. We look forward to seeing your application soon.